Hi, it's the Honey Queen, and I have a great side dish for you. This is honey glazed carrots. And you can do either baby carrots or the kind of carrots I have right here, or cut them up. This is how I'm going to do it here. I actually peeled it. You don't have to peel them. So start with your carrots, how you want to do that. And everything is super easy. You can do a cracked pepper and garlic salt, or you can do a cracked pepper and real garlic with Himalayan salt. But you gotta have Cox's honey and you've gotta have butter. So what I put in here was a tablespoon of butter and a tablespoon of honey. So just remember, it's 1-to-1, same thing. I'm actually using some granulated honey because this is a great recipe to use up your granulated honey. Put this in the microwave for only 10 seconds at a time. As soon as it's liquidy, we'll be back with the next instruction. I only had to do it 10 seconds, 2 times. So 10 seconds stir, 10 seconds again, glass jar. And that got, look how the granulated honey is. So I'm gonna do it 2 different ways. I have actually here, I'm gonna do an oven and also stovetop. So the first thing you do is get your carrots, however you want it, coin, cubed, or like this. And all I do is dip this in the honey and butter mixture. And I'm going to put half spread out on here, and I'm going to try the garlic and Himalayan salt with the oven one. You just heat your oven to 400 degrees, and then no foil, because it sticks to the foil. That is just not easy to get off. Then the stove top, you're going to put it in here with a little bit of water, and you're just going to boil it. They both take about 20 minutes to cook. So once I get in here, I'm going to actually put my garlic and Himalayan salt and cracked pepper on, just a taste. And this one, I'm actually going to cook it first, and then I'm going to season it. And I'm going to season it with just these 2. So you can look at those at the very end of this YouTube. Here we go. All right, so it's mixed very good. I'm only going to do half on here and half on there, smaller batch. You can do as much as you want. I've got the oven heated to 400 degrees. I'm going to put half of them on here. That looks like about half. And like I said, you can do a lot more than this. I'm just giving you 2 examples. The rest is going to go in here with a little bit of water. If you have more and you run out of honey and butter, you can put as much in as you want. Boy, that's loud. All right, to the stovetop and to the oven. A little bit of water. It doesn't take much to cook this, so I just put a little bit. So I will start the stove up, the stove top up, get that boiling, and I'll put that in the oven for about 20 minutes. It's heated to 400 degrees. I'll show you the end product. Alexa, set the timer for 20 minutes. Alexa, set the timer for 10 minutes. So you want to be able to turn it after 10 minutes so that it browns both sides. Okay, the stovetop is done in 8 minutes, and if you notice, all the water has boiled out. So I boiled it and then I turned it down and I went at al dente. Put that on this plate. Let me show you the comparison. And then you can season it to your liking. Get the other one. After 10 minutes, I flipped them and then I checked it. It's almost al dente, so it might be done earlier than 20 minutes. I will check it in just a couple more minutes. All right, I have to change my mind. This was finished after about 12, 13 minutes. So I would probably turn it at about 7 or 8 minutes and then check it. Maybe it's kind of smaller. Anyway, they are done. Look at that. That's the oven roasted. They're both very, very good. Grandchildren, did you find the bee? Someone dropped that off with a note that said, from a friend. I think you do gather more friends with honey. I don't even know who that friend is. I recognize the writings and I'm thinking, I've seen that writing somewhere before. Anyway, love it. It's very cute. So you've got stovetop, oven. Which would you prefer? Comment below. Check me out on all my other videos. I'm going to have a bunch of other roasted vegetables coming up all this year because I'm really into that lately. And subscribe to my channel. Share it with other people. Let them know. I'm on almost all the social medias. You can check out little short reels and TikToks and things like that with ideas on how to use honey. Have a sweet day. Let's see. I think I'll try this one first. Very, very good. I'll try the roasted one. Okay. I don't know. I like them both. They're both great. So whatever way you prefer. I vote they're equal.